India is home to the second largest population of tribal folks. And with every year of urban development, these indigenous groups are left behind in the growth spectrum. Left alone to look out for themselves with little to no support. This is where GOI's TriFed comes into picture. With a pan-India brand called Tribes India, the tribes have been able to showcase their creativity, skill sets, and reach out across India.
Tribals are the world's best craftsmen. They've been doing it for generations through systems and techniques which are extremely scientific and good and produce one of the finest things that you have.
Each tribe delivers something different, something unique to that location.
याक बुल एक बहुत बड़ा जानवर है जिसका मतलब जो वो एक अंदर से मतलब जो वो एक सर्दियों में एक नया किस्म का बाल उगता है, उसको कार्डिंग करा करके स्पिनिंग करा करके शॉल बनाते हैं उसका जी। तो ये बहुत गर्म होता है और जो वो एक लद्दाख के अलावा ये कहीं भी नहीं मिलता है यहाँ।
हमारा पीतल का काम तो हड़प्पा जैसे जो हड़प्पा संस्कृति है वहाँ से भी हमारा सामान निकला, तो इससे मतलब ये सिद्ध होता है कि ये काम बहुत ही प्राचीन काल से हो रहा है।
They do excellent painting, they produce excellent woodwork, furniture, they produce excellent metalwork, they produce excellent dokra, they produce excellent textiles, they produce excellent cane and bamboo that you're seeing around. But the problem with them is they cannot market it, they really cannot market. So what can sell for 10,000, they'll be happy selling it for 1,000. TriFed is an organization of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. It's a federation which works for promoting tribal craft, culture, cuisine and commerce. This includes procurement and sale of tribal handicrafts, handlooms, textiles, woolens, the 26,000 types of things that tribals make. We procure it from them upfront and sell it all over the country through retail and e-commerce portals.
Over the past years, Amazon has realized the potential of these groups and the quality of what they make.
Amazon has been a very good partner for us because now we are sending these about 10,000 items on Amazon all over the world. So we've done an agreement with Amazon.in and Amazon Global, and we are putting about 10,000 things already on the net, and it's selling all over the world. And people are amazed to see the high quality of things which are authentically produced by tribals. Challenge is to change the status quo. Treating people think that tribals, chote log hain, they just need subsidies, they need free clothing, they need free cycles, they need free houses, they need free roads, they need culverts, hand pumps. But till they can be commercially sort of empowered, so if we can make him economically independent, so rather than giving him free fish, if we can teach him how to catch fish and sell it in the market at prices at which fish should sell in the market, we have done our job.
Being in the remotest corners poses its own challenges. However, now available on Amazon, many of these problems have been fully taken care of.